The creation of the electronics manufacturing service industry began in the late 1970s, and by the mid-1990s, OEMs were seeing the benefits of outsourcing the manufacturing of their PCB assemblies in large scale to these companies. The expense of building and maintaining an electronic assembly line, along with securing all of the electronic components and semiconductors needed to manufacture their products, placed an enormous strain on cash flow. Because the manufacturing of their products was now being handled by their EMS partner, OEM companies now had the capital available to invest in projects that had a positive impact on their ROIC. Just as EMS companies took the burden of manufacturing from OEM companies, Partstat has created a new, proven way to secure inventory for both EMS companies and OEMs. Partstat will purchase, store, and fulfill multiple years of semiconductor inventory using our own capital, so you don't have to. This model has allowed our customers to deploy over $200 million into projects that improve their bottom line, while reducing annual inventory carrying costs by as much as 50%. Let Partstat secure your inventory.